Taking a little pit stop on the bike. I was developing some major swamp ass from the heat. And we're at Hinlad Waterfall, which you can hike up to. Turns out there's a path over there that you're meant to take, and that's the challenging bit. I've just been following the rocks up the river, and it's been working out okay. It was very hot work, but made it to the top. We're gonna go for a swim. Woo! God, that is good.
Oh, he stopped.
Now I'm gonna head down the actual trail because I'm fucking tired. I'll get back on the bike. Oh, who's a good boy? It's a stop like number 8 or some shit, but hell of a view. There's a temple through there. I can't go in because I'm dressed like this, but there's a temple.